Welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. Big super there out in the East Prospect in the weather. My viewers, a pure rain. I hope you can see. A pure rain. I'm up on the road this morning. And I look at the rain because the rain continue. You know, we have a continuous rainfall like this. We don't know how it's going to affect the Beverly Hills. We don't know how it's going to affect the Beverly Hills and Prospect people. So stick and stay. Yeah, my viewers and sub, me dey right in front of Triple R. Yeah, me I look down the road there. You have a gully down here where there's a washway, you know. Me go find out, my viewers and sub, what go on in a Triple R, how the weather, and me go look on the gully where there's a flood out down the road. So stick and stay, people. Big super out in the weather. What go on in a Triple R? Rain a fall, the place a flood, and come give me an interview there and let me know how the weather look, if things look, if it continues same way, if you feel the rain,
Good morning, how are you?
Yeah, good morning, Big Super here. Yes. And I'm with that beautiful lady here. Tasha.
Yes.
And she serve the customer them when them come to Triple R. Yes. And how the weather look outside?
Oh, it is raining right now.
Yeah.
It's very wet.
Yeah. And you feel like a lock up and go in early?
Not at all. Remember that your customers still coming in and they don't prepare the Sunday dinners as yet.
Yeah, and you know me have to come get mines.
Yeah, exactly. So our customers, we have to value our customers that they will be coming no matter what weather condition we are having.
Do you hear that, people?
Yes.
Triple R open.
We are the only shop down here that is open right now.
Yeah.
So we have to open to serve the customers.
So you hear that, people? Triple R open right throughout the weather.
Yes.
So we're going to take a walk because you know there's a part of the road down there so we always flood. Yes. Every time rain fall. And we're going to look on it.
Yes,
and we have
the holes are blacked up right now.
Wow.
The holes that was digged the other day are blacked up right now.
I hope no crocodile no come up, you know, because you know when the road rain fall at St.Thomas, you know.
Crocodile is anywhere half here.
Okay. Alright, big up yourself.
And have yourself a blessed and a wonderful and peaceful day. God bless you.
Alright, one love.
Same to you, darling.
Yeah, man, some of you we're just going at Triple R. And we are come out at Triple R. And we are going to head in another direction there. My God, down there look dark. Down there look dark, people. I don't know if I can manage it, but I have to walk go down there. Go see where I go on. So stick and stay. It's raining cats and dogs in eastern St. Thomas. So if you can stay in, people. And remember lightning and all them things there. So Big Super, I touch the road to see where I go on. So my viewers and subscribers, we're there right in front of Top House Road. Yeah man, and right there so, you know a whole heap of water I come down from up there so. We left up a Triple R, yeah, and a whole heap of water come off of the hill. And it kind of dangerous with Big Super in the day, but we want to go down to the beach gate to see exactly where we're going. All of them drain which part you see them make and never find time to fix up. The road start to bust up, see there? See them there? Them full of water, people. All of them drain there. All of the drain system them where they make and never complete. They might have to dig them up back. Because look on the road, people. The road underwater. Yeah, my viewers and subscribers. The road underwater. And Big Super is out here. I show you where I go on. East Prospect, the Beverly Hills, and St. Thomas. The whole stretch underwater. And you know, so they never make no drain. They never make no sidewalk. They never make no gutter. And you know, if you don't make all of them things there, road now go maintain. So we don't know how long this weather will last for people, but if this weather lasts for 2 and 3 days, the authority might have to prepare themselves to start build back the road again, and this time build it properly. So my viewers and sub, we are going to walk, go as far as the bus stop. We're not going no further than the bus stop, because if you can look, I don't know if my camera can pick it up, I can see if I can zoom it up, but the whole are down there, so you can see it, the whole are down that side, people, underwater, and the vehicle them are traverse. And remember, my viewers and sub, that the gutter them not complete as yet, the sidewalk them not complete as yet, and no drain not complete as yet. So the few little road left, anything can take place with them. So my viewers and sub, I make a look at walk, I'm not going no further because down the road look dangerous. It look like it's under flooding. Big super decides, I'm not going no further because I'm not going to chance it out in the rain. I'm not going to chance it out in the rain like that. So like, share, subscribe, people. Pull up the notification bell, people. Just do the right thing, people. If you can donate to me email or my PayPal, just do the right thing. Big super out in East Prospect, the Beverly Hills of St. Thomas, saying peace out, people. Peace out.